Let's talk about the chapter on the whole country people. Them would throw a big salute talk to tell now about this boy way, this man will kill papa for Susa. They will kill papa for Susa. They will talk about the four picking them where they die inside some village where side they for Jang where they soon have big mommy don't cook. This palava they call and see this soon a country chop for born house for twins them for wash twins them country people them. They will talk about this accident for Bonamusa, the accident for Aquano. We'll tell you too about this reporter for Nouvelle Expression Vivienne Tom Fak where they so na kamambru dem for this esunga mama kamambru dem for this commissaire esunga mama commissaire matu for that side for cinquième for Bonabidi Bonamba Pede don BT for pay this weekend to contribute. We'll talk to you about this other chapter. John K. Bonavactu first victory. It happened now for reunification stadium for Douala Bay Panda Day. We now see all yesterday for John K. Bonaventure contribute people in this one at PG News. Equinox TV with me, Eze. Ekuleku Toridi. I turn a big salute again, country people. When I come good, this one a Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television with me. Ekuleku start with this same story for today. And the same story for today is Bisewiti. Na time water the dry, where they sabi the thing where they chop fish. Na time water dry, where they fit sabi the thing where they chop fish. Na same story that for today we come out for Christelle Moyo for that side for Lower. Christelle Moyo for that side for Lower. Thank you plenty. Supporting come from you, yes, Suzof, Hans Saudien, and then Marchi Chef, Songe Jacquino for Peloton Coutier, motorisé for that side for Hong Kong, Samba country people. On a tourné na on a talk sur waiting. C'est des sous for Ndok Passi 2, Ndok Passi 2, place with the column for this, c'est des sous Coplan, au front entrée collège Coplan. For that side, 80 copan for that side happen for they beat thief man to put fire for his king born pass mark this sharp monitor with catchy thief around the zone they thief can do wonderful thing now so rain save don't fall on top spoil the die but this for day before sape pompe one can the country people them na popo to fear for Suza, it passed to fear kwa self country people them know you Philip alias Eto yes. Eto fils na eto for skogo ya on eto for zigwe you papa ya on eto godze ndo you Philip this way alias eto way do have for that set country people them inside this chapter now it takes style it work out machine for mash mbanga for people in country, people they don't take style now. Mash them banga as they talk about them for this chapter. So wait it can happen for them. You don't take cutlass now go mash the neck for your papa uta. Yes. Hey papa do how? Papa Masa Thomas Chuyo Thomas country people them. Chuya. Yes, Papa Chuya Thomas when he born in 1963. He don't sell house. 1,700,000. Take money servant for you picking them. Take other money, do how we can contribute them. Keep them for inside account for campus or Suza. Now for the way, do you Philip? Yes. Do you Philip now? Alias Eto. He can hold Papa for play. Papa they make wash night. Papa they make wash night for Charles Maniok for Suza day. Use bought to broken. Chuk pa out and pa no die. Pa they shout no man in the Yahweh place far away. He take cutlass. Nkwara. Zang. Zing. Blood come off to wave his him. He says, command work like a Sakaba. Go see commandant Sida for that side for capacity. J'ai fini avec le vieux là. This not to fear quoi this. Hey! On a six small. Only small innocent big affaire for night. Look at na pada for down na we pardon quoi finish. Yesterday 7:30 le matin, 7:30 for morning time. Now we finish the parcel. 7:30. Na image sur téléphone this country pour de make una no vex. Na pa yes Chuya. Na pa Chuya don't sleep for this so Chuya Tomasi. Na you don't sleep for this so we don't talk amen for this chapter for this situation for that side for place where they call for Suza for Charles Maniok for this whole country, people, I think that happen for that quarter for the inside this matter when I get down for this level. So then another one, now this one for 4 picking them. 18 years, another 16 years, another one day 18 months. Them small picking them today. Then chop for twins like you the jumeaux, I say they call them. We tell the one wash jumeaux, then so twins them. They make some kind country fashion chop, then so picking and chopper. They chopper, they hear bad. Other people go to for hospital for check. We see what happen. Now that's for bafu they country put them. Bafu for mafo. Now it is. Look up. They wanted to cry. They cry, they are picking them for this country put them. They did for hospital so. They say, "Lulu, Fonkazo, village." No man cry. Tell ceremony for jumeaux. Oh, jumeaux don't carry picking and go. Jumeaux don't carry picking and go. Le blue and Becker to be to say jumeaux il est mais baby. Tiens, pour they cry. Now the pot is with big mommy, ancien de grand-mère. Everyone for this country put them. Make the can't to put a chopper. For scat twins them. Pay the family the victim. Where? Na Paris order picking them. Wang Uzume. Ye bube. Now this talk the cry. How picking the one die or and I mommy self cook that thing for that picking and so. Let me say big man for that picking the one for the picking and so instead the palaver so country people then look at the other one they do the chop them, they carry them go for hospital. Then they cry. You get perfusion with skin, but they cry. Small picking into oh man, cry, now that's more than that. Or they cry, oh man, they cry and cry for this whole country. Cry! Which don't happen for me, so shall not open and get to look up. Except for perfusion, people they also cry. Say yes, it don't happen. Now that's so for day. Yes, chop for the model. Come on, the brigade come up with the people they need to for see what it happen, for see whether it's all man go quarana for the on a food poisoning, on a better poisoning for that side to contribute. Can't in a second happen. Where they talk about them for a issue them for this for bafu, this will look like Zakem, bring them for people in really see. Wait way it happened for this country people they will not see us in the take place now. For that Palava day, and other one they seek for baby cry, the year but like David Novo rec attention for nouvelle expression, we just ask ya may come back quick so country people. Ask them for Aquanor country people them. Ask him moto message moto come over parking after Shishon for see why they so opposite Mammy Grace that said so. One time jam other motor for the night. I say Aquanor this that play look at. Hey! The motor will get gathered full, get the kind shock, so let me say it be bad. Jam, stay jam. Small motor could frame man when they so na Kamamburu police for Nevian Bidiri. Jakaram too. Then plus the Mercedes motor now. When I be get for the as no get. Jakaram for part prison. Look at a small motor this. Oh boy, all them now. Kona kissing. Kona kissing of motor to motor, said the Mercedes when I cause the trouble. Kona kissing of moto and moto. That's what thing happen now. Married for moto, kona kissing for moto and moto as we get them. They can't talk about them for the place where the thing happen to for the country people them. Another accident take place in a place where they call anxiety. Bonam Sadia, you come bonam said they go for that side for Makepe. It happen for them moto jump auto electricity ton so they meet up na inside got a hole. Yes, na ngongo come for can talk and this. When I choose me because of the telephone they use and film. Then you know some beg do the best way if you do. For try to make it shifter and wash and clean and dry. Because then you could see the ones who contribute. Never see the one. Ben Skinner and Cannon Plenty say, hey! At least now so it won't be the piece in a piece. Say at least now to know talks in a Ben Skinner don't cost the one again. Look moto. Moto tombo stay inside in Guribu for day. Now they go bring and Gongoro, remember Gongoro can't drag moto. They go bring and Gongoro can't try for drag the moto come out and for this country. Look moto. Look moto. As we get and so can we look at now the Gongoro will be drag and now for try to see what I think when I that. Moto they come out to Nayoloman. Yes. Moto they come out to Nayoloman. Put a struggle now for see if you do. All things don't stop for that motor. They get motor go enter garage. Now from square one starting. Everything now from square one starting for this so they don't track and for that level. As the thing they come out from the gutter we make to know still land for that place so country. People they must not get down so things and take place now for this palaver and for they to Inside this kind of situation for Sabi and Sabi for the country people they now. We talk about this other one I wrote for say Bonateki Carrefour Madame Veuve for Bac Saint-Gérard. That road for the any rather than the corner cimetière for yes, cimetière for Cardang and a cimetière too for this we call and say so amortisseur for Mutu. But one I this not pronunciation. Look am. Where? Chef de quartier for your name like Bullet Steve. Ajax Bonateki. You will pass here to you go reach for that side for that or that Sheferi when AZ did. Yes. You want to for Bac Saint-Gérard. For the la requête with that base skin for the so they chop soya na laboratoire de soya. And fast too, laboratoire de soya. You do for the. For me do, road don't kwara. Road don't kwara. Do man can tell for the way you don't go late, you run go walk. E kana the bex abeg una ele me I don't go late come late. Avensis don't take it inside Avensis way. I say yes, think it I want to talk about and so yes. Where the couple in America struggle for Kenya come out and for that side the evening be so go only the woman now. They try. Woman put her hands say, hey woman, one go zoom. I don't know what will happen for you inside the chapter for the Palava so say so something don't do me. As they talk about say something don't do inside something don't do true for say something don't do for this way. You see that road, that's more bad place so they cause total trouble and a trouble for a place we don't struggle still move motuna for the woman so the woman now it go take time for going. These abuse where they so kamambu the abuse. Vivienne Tonfa don't turn on a star. Star for Chaka déchiré when la police don't déchiré. Star for coup de poing where police turn na Evander Holyfield. Vivienne Tonfa run pass Mbim. Go pass au marché Dicolo. Where don't go do you work for journalists or work for reporter? For sabi whether wait really est-ce que that woman true he don't kidnapper picking them he don't do harm for day for that matter so contribute on Asia. Look I say Vivienne on tourne na Vivienne et bois. Vivienne 1 foot. Chakara all for foot. Foot too. They give coup de matraque and coup de ranges. Where you go verify information. Then torture. So other syndicate for journalists and say, they give for sanction that to them. They don't care for this so contribute them. We can't wait for that side day. Can't matter when I see Vivienne. I say Vivienne on ton Jean et bois. Yes, we better not follow. Waiting to not happen for you to inside this kind of situation on the Palavas. Can't wait. He enter now. Enter in for his Equinox. Yes. Now journalists for nouvelle expression. So look Chaka for your foot. Do one at Chaka Olympic. Where this so policeman don't make Chakaronton Chaka Olympic for this country people that can get them now for this situation for the Palavan and the issue there so for all day. Sport football story I say Panthers human to a new star what did happen for them? Yesterday I show now I was supporting for Panthers they don't vex. Today I want show na how we Bonaventure John kept alias teacher. Johnny Nkep. After about 6 matches, 0 victoire. Not only nil with the lost defeat. John Nkep don't get first victoire. Forget that first victoire, no be hard. It no be easy. Well, for saying John Nkep, she also talk saying John Nkep n'importe quoi. John Nkep say I could n'importe quoi now, so for start. Now it is. Hey! Hey! Arrêtez le fou, John Nkep. Except Jean for a trial, no see that in the combat. Hey, wonders. Yes, now you're at the look time. Say you don't finish. Now you're on a calmus for the yes. He said the parole so contribuer. Yes, c'est calmus, il faut tuer le jeu. Il me va ça tout le monde qu'on a été avec qui là. Si, la c'est so contribuer pour them. C'est calmus, il fait qui là. Il dit bah c'est bon, il veut qu'on ait fait. Hey. Wonderful. Wonders. Yeah? Wonders. Bon, maintenant, calmus. If you calmus now. If you calmus he came now. How will it make so? Now, so way present for 10 donkey to the for tribune, eh? So. Say, okay, now, you don't bother. Allez, match on terminé 1-0. Match on finish with the so country people then. Yeah, Okay, now. Finish. for inside the finish today. Allah. Ash. Wonderful. Hey, teacher. Okay, teacher. Bon. You see, get like a 6 match, if you try. Money, you know. Isn't that time water don't dry? Where the stability, where the chop fish. They number when I see answer, I knock head for that number. So, no number when I feel call we for talk the thing way he did for na quarter or any place we can film for this country problem. Yes. Uruya na commissaire for 9e c'est don't na chez le cadastre of domaine when I go talk say woman must boss room do kind for back touristic hotel day who image day we show for na tomorrow inside the palabra so plenty. Okay, country people then. As we want to talk about transiting in the happen. So and so be so. You know, so I beg a thank you plenty bullet Steph. Ajax the Bonatikidi. Okay. Virus the virus for that side. Alain Zingi AZD for this series sooner beyond the sheriff for Okay. Tatako of Pidede will Mukube Robert Ash they say to be inside the matter country put them. There could have plenty local attacking for Changde, Jerome Nassis of the Banganti. Country people then. If Unasima back, Belede for front, innocent Abega doctor. Bye bye.